Hi, I'm gonna show you how to pair your Google Pixel 9a with AirPods. For that, as a first step, we need to enable pairing mode on your AirPods. So I'm gonna open the lid and hold down that back button for a couple of seconds till this indicator on the front will be blinking white. Great, now they are ready to be paired. An important moment, you should not close the lid. If it closes itself, you can just remove one of the AirPods and then go in Settings to find Network and Internet and then find Bluetooth. Actually, it is in Connected Devices. So go in Connected Devices, tap Connection Preferences, tap on Bluetooth, and make sure that it is turned on like that. Now, find your AirPods in this list, or you can also tap to pair new device. So tap here and find the name of your AirPods in Available Devices list. If something went wrong, then you can again enable pairing mode on the AirPods. So I'm gonna again hold down that button till it will be blinking, and now it appeared in the list. So now you need to tap on it. If needed, allow access to contacts and call history, and tap on pair. And now they will be paired with your phone, and you will see this Bluetooth icon in the upper right corner. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.